Hi everybody, I just wanted to go over the AEI Canvas page. We went over that really quickly at the last staff meeting, so just wanted to make a quick video so that you know how to access it. The self-enrollment code for this course is linked. And some of the newer information, of course, we have the enrichment guide here, and these would be for your students that need a little bit more enhanced instruction. So we're going to go to grade level resources. And here you can go grade level by grade level, grade 1, grade 2, all the way up to grade 5, starting with kindergarten. There are novel studies, and a lot of the novel studies have the word new next to them because they've either been revised or added into your curriculum. So second grade, you have a number of new novels, and you'll see the unit alignment there as well. So if you're trying to do some long-range planning, you can see what units these align with. These, if you just click on one, I'm just going to click on a third grade one for an example, you'll see that they each have a folder. So this is a materials folder. Everything that you would need to do this, lots of different options. We go back to the novel study. These are lesson plans that are already written. So they really are trying to make it as easy as possible for you to provide enrichment to those students that may need it. So it has a lesson by lesson format here as well. Another great resource, if I go back, Jacob's Ladder is always a wonderful resource, and those are great because they're so short and they're easily accessible. So if you go to grade 1, there's all sorts of selections here. You can see the last time they were updated. Grade 2, let's just look at Snowflake Bentley really quickly. So you have the picture book, the ladder experiences that are associated with the picture book there. And if you remember Jacob's Ladder, you start with easy comprehension, getting all the way up to more complex comprehension. So there are 2 different ladders there. There's actually 3 for Snowflake Bentley. That's awesome. But there's lots to tinker around with here. Please feel free. You also have translation options for those students who may need it. So please feel free to ask me anytime if you maybe just need something forwarded to you, but I always want you to have the opportunity to enhance your own professional development on your own time. So if you ever need any enrichment opportunities, those are there for you. Please let me know if you have any questions. And again, the self-enrollment code will be linked underneath this video.